Ever wondered how to bridge the gap between you and your ancestors? From ancestral altars to guided meditation, discover the powerful tools and practice to connect with their wisdom, guidance, protection of those who came before us. Unlock the secrets of your lineage and walk your path with purpose. Let's explore the tools that make it possible. In African spirituality, connecting with the ancestors often involves sacred tools. These items, more than physical objects, they are spiritual conduits, each holding unique symbolism and energy to bridge the gap between the physical and the spiritual worlds. The tools used in ancestral veneration varies across Africa, but their purpose is universal: to create a space for communication with the spiritual realm, whether it's a drum to call the spirit or a calabash for libation. Each tool carries meaning. What is the importance of these tools in Gan spirituality? Each tool has its own role. For example, the calabash is for pouring libation. A stool represents the seat of the ancestors, and the incense purifies the space. Without these tools, the spiritual is incomplete because they help carry our message to the spirits. One of the most personal ways to connect with ancestors is by creating an ancestral altar. This sacred space serves as a point of contact, a place where prayers, offerings, and meditation are focused. How to create an altar at home? Choose a clean, quiet corner in your home. Lay a white cloth as a base. It symbolizes purity and spiritual connection. Add a candle or oil lamp to represent ancestral light guiding you. Place the photos or items belonging to the deceased loved ones. Include offerings such as water, food, or a symbolic gift like beads or coins. Add tools like libation calabash or incense for rituals. This altar is our way of keeping the memory of our ancestors alive. Each morning, we light the candle and pour water to thank them for their protection and blessings. In many African cultures, music is a sacred tool for connecting with the spirit world. Drumming, in particular, carries vibrations that carries the ancestors, creating an atmosphere for the spiritual presence. How do drum facilitate connections with ancestors? The drum is a voice. Each rhythm has a purpose. Some call the ancestors, others sense message gratitude. When we drum, we are speaking their language, and they respond by joining us in spirit. Tools like cowrie cells, bones, and divination trays are central to ancestral communication. Used by spiritual leaders, these tools interpret the messages of the ancestors, offering guidance for life's challenges. When we cast the cowrie shells, we are asking the ancestors for answers. Each position of the shells carries a message, and when we interpret it based on their wisdom, it is a sacred dialogue. Candles and incense create an atmosphere of peace and focus, essential for spiritual connection. Similar natural elements like trees, rivers, and sacred stones are seen as a vessel of ancestral energy. Nature holds the essence of the ancestors. By connecting with the land, we connect with them. Rivers are particularly sacred. They carry messages to the spiritual realm. These tools are more than objects. They are symbols of faith, love, and reverence for those who came before us. Through them, the wisdom of blessings of the ancestors flow into our lives, keeping the cycle of life unbroken. Thanks for watching. Join me in my next video as we dive deep into how to live in harmony with our ancestors. Don't forget to share your own experience in the comment section.